The Mongoose web server on the Raspberry Pi Pico 2W is more useful than just for web UIs. Mostly I use Mongoose for web services. In this video I want to show you how, plus how I can secure that communication using HTTPS. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, Pico 2, robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Please remember to subscribe and join the community. This is my 3-minute summary video. If you have time, why not check out the full video? I'm going to write my web service using Mongoose for a Pico 2W and then call this from a Python script. The service will change the color of a bank of LEDs, and I want to define the color of that in terms of RGB in a JSON message. The JSON payload will be transported using HTTP post, so that it does not appear in the URL, but is embedded in the body of the request. The Python client will use the request module to call the service. This makes calling an HTTP web service endpoint really easy. The firmware is very similar to my previous examples. The difference is that I now need to pull the parameters from the JSON payload in the body of the request. Mongoose makes this really easy with JSON functions to access this data. So I can now change the LED color from my Python script. I can now secure this communication using HTTPS. That means creating some keys and certificates for the client and the server under a self-signed certificate authority. The client I've updated to access an HTTPS endpoint and include its keys. The server's updated to include the keys and initiate a TLS session on the connection to an HTTP endpoint, plus free up the structure on the socket on closing. These small changes allow me to secure the communication for my simple color request demo. If you like this video and it helps your learning or your projects, then why not drop me a cash tip using that super thanks button below the video or the payment link that's in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe for more.